In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can create a reminder in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to your top right on your profile. From here, on the drop-down menu, click on Create a Reminder. Right here, you can first type in the reminder name. Let's say, do your task. Then, add a description. Let's say, instruments. Then, you can choose when it will be for today or for a set time. Then, for which member is it going to be? Lastly, you can even attach some files that will help in recognizing this reminder. Once done, simply click right here. And as easy as that, you now have a reminder set for that specific date. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.